Have you fall into the trap of any Bitcoin scammer and lost your money? If yes, then you already learned a lesson from it and promise with you that you will not invest your money with anyone. And if no, then you are safe now. This video is for those who are thinking or going to invest their money in Bitcoin with any Bitcoin trader or a Bitcoin miner. Because in this video, I am going to expose the fake Bitcoin Instagram scammers. So let's get started. Yo, what's up guys, my name is Kesav. I am a blogger, forex trader and forex coach, also the founder of trendingknowledge.com. You are welcome to my channel Trending Knowledge. Before starting the video, I have one request to you. If you are not connected with me on Instagram, then here is my Instagram username and it's my Instagram profile. You can follow me also on Instagram because I am active most of the time on the Instagram. If you have any query related to forex trading or Bitcoin or scamming or any other query, then you can ask me or you can DM me on the Instagram. And if you are new here, then you can also subscribe to my channel, then press the red button. Also press that bell icon to receive all the notification of my videos. Yeah, actually I received a lots of messages and most of the people are asking me that they should invest their money in Bitcoin with any Bitcoin trader or miner or not. And my answer is strictly no. You should not invest your money in Bitcoin with any Bitcoin miner or a trader, otherwise you can lose your money. But the main question is that why I am telling you to not invest your money with any Bitcoin scammer. So before starting that video, I am going to share with you my mobile screen. But before that, I am telling you my experience also. Yeah, actually when I just started my forex traders journey, then I started receiving a lots of message requests from these Bitcoin scammers, and they always give me a best offer that you can earn more than $10,000 if you invest this amount or this particular amount. You can see chart of these scammers here. They always give me this best offer that if you will invest this money, then you will get this more amount. And you know one thing, most of the people can easily fall into the trap of these scammers. You don't believe? See these messages. Yeah, that's true. I received these messages also. Yeah, actually there is a guy who lost more than $1,000. It means he lost more than 1 lakh rupees. But always remember one thing, if you invest your money with any Bitcoin scammer, then you can't your money back. There is no one, not me, and there is no one who can help you to get your money back. And even not a government too, because government is not allowing you to invest your money with any internationally scammer or any internationally trader or a miner. Yeah, always remember one thing. If that person can make you a rich, then why he or she is not a billionaire or a millionaire? Why he is sending these messages? You also need to think this thing. You can't be rich overnight or within a week. If you want to achieve your goals and want to become rich, then you need to work hard for it. You need to be consistent with your work. Okay, so now it's a time to expose these scammers. I am going to share with you my mobile screen. Okay, so guys, as I told you, I send a message to this person. You can also see the bio of this person. I don't know it is a girl or a guy, but the profile photo is of a girl, then we can suppose it's a girl. Now after sending a message to this girl, you can see we start chatting, and after some time she sent me their offer template of their packages. You can see here, yeah, it's a package. Okay, it's a offer template, you can see here. Okay, but you know one thing, anyone can fall into the traps of these scammers, and most of the people are from India, which can easily fall into the traps of these scammers because they don't have much knowledge about Bitcoin. Actually it's not their packages, it's a trap in which anyone can fall easily. Yeah, actually I also have a knowledge about Bitcoin and I know already about Bitcoin that, but most of the people don't know about the Bitcoin, that how actually Bitcoin works. Actually there are 90% people which are scammers on the Instagram, according to this person also. Okay, so when you receive these types of messages to earn money within a week, then you can block instantly to that person, otherwise you may also lose your money. Okay, so now let's see. When I ask how much you earn till now, when I ask to that person, that girl, how much you earned till now, Okay, she sent me what? It's my privacy. Okay. She don't want to tell me that particular amount I am earning. And when I send this message, you can tell me because I am going to invest with you. Okay, she sent me, if you are not here to invest, you can have a nice day, not asking silly questions. It means these are silly questions. So you can easily observe that she is not a real person. Okay, so let's have a look her profile again. Her name is Grace Anderson, mining company, accident, trade signals. But actually you need to understand that these are the fake scammers. Okay, these are the fake testimonials. You need to understand this thing. Okay, so always stay away from these scammers. Okay, so I exposed these scammers. Now it's a time that how you can avoid these scammers, or how you will know that whether it's a real person or not. Actually, if I will tell you in this video, then this video becomes too long. So if you want to know deeply and want to know the ways that how you can stay away from these scammers, then you need to watch this video, because in this video I just explained the 7 ways that how you can stay away from these scammers, or how you can avoid these scams or forex scams or any Bitcoin scams. Okay, you can also click on this I button to watch this video. Yeah, actually my main motto is to educate you and provide you a best knowledge and a correct knowledge within a short period of time. So if you are watching this video till now, then I am very thankful to you. If you are not connected with me on Instagram, then you can also connect me. And if you are new to here, then you can also subscribe to my channel. If you are new here and like the way of my explanation, then hit that like button now. Okay, so now it's a time to finish this video now. I hope you understood all these things. So let's meet in the next video with an awesome content. So till now, bye bye, take care, have a good day.